Problem number 7. Identify and write the number of subsets for power set. We're going to first identify the number of subsets and then we're going to write them. We have part A is the set of 8. Part B is the set of empty set. Part C is the set of alphabets A, B, C. Part D is the set of natural numbers, starts from 1 up to infinity. Part E is the set of whole numbers, the first 5 whole numbers. Part F is the set of positive, negative, multiplication and division signs. So we're going to identify the number of subsets and then we're going to write the subsets for all these sets. So let's do them one by one. Part A, which is the set of 8. First to check that how many subsets we're going to have for that part A. And then we're going to write the subsets for its power set. Just let this set equals to A. I just randomly gave the name A to this set. So the number of subsets will be 2 to the n equals to 2 to the 1 equals to 2. We are already familiar that how to identify the number of subsets, which depends on the number of elements inside the braces. We have only one element here, which is 8. So the power of n will be 1. 2 to the 1 is 2, which means that this set, which is A, has 2 subsets. So the set of all subsets will be the power set, because ultimately we are talking about the power set. What is power set? Power set is the set of all subsets of A. That will be the power set. If you have 2 elements, then you're going to put 2 for the n. 2 to the 2 is 4. You're going to have 4 subsets for A. If you have 3 elements, then you're going to put 2 to the 3. 2 to the 3 is 8. You will have 8 subsets. But since we have only one element, therefore we will put 1 for the n. 2 to the 1 is 2, so we have only 2 subsets for this A, which is the set of 8. So this will be the power set. P of A means the power set of A. As I told you, I just let this set equals to A. I randomly gave the name A. So this is my set A. P of A means the power set of A. The power set of A will be the set of all the subsets of A. These are the subsets, empty set and 8. These are the only 2 subsets of A. Because we already identified that we have only 2 subsets, empty set and the set by itself. That's what we call it power set, which is the set of all subsets. Part B, which is empty set. First to identify the number of subsets. So let me let this set equals to B. I just randomly gave the name B to this empty set. The number of subsets will be 2 to the n equals to 2 to the 0 equals to 2. Look at here, there is no element. There is no element. It is an empty set. So since we have no element, therefore we're going to put 0 for the n. 2 to the 0 is 1, which means that we have only one subset for B. We have only one subset for this set. So this will be the power of B. P of B means the power set of B. What is B? B is the name of this set. We have only one subset, which is empty set. Empty set is the subset of empty set. This is the only subset which exists for the empty set. So this is power set. For the empty set, you can also put this notation. Whether you put simply empty set or this notation, it is one thing. It is the power of B, which is the power set of B. C, which is the set of alphabets A, B, C. What will be the power set? So let me just randomly give the name C to this set. I just let A, B, C equals to C. The number of subsets will be 8. We know the formula 2 to the n. This n depends on the number of elements inside these braces. If we have 3 elements, we're going to put 3 for the n. So 2 to the 3 is 8, which means that we're going to have 8 subsets for this C. We will have 8 subsets for this set. These 8 are the number of subsets. There we're going to have the power set. P of C means the power set of C. We have 3 elements. We need all the subsets of this C. So we will start with the empty set and then we will take individually like A and then B and then C, and then we're going to take 2 elements together, AB and AC, and then BC, and then to take all these 3 elements together, A, B, C, we need 8 subsets. So let me just check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, we got all the 8 subsets for this C. These are all subsets of C. This set, this blue set, is the set of all subsets of C. That's what we call it power set. Power of C. This is the power set of C. D, which is the set of natural numbers, start from 1 up to infinity. So let me just let it equals to D. I just randomly gave the name D to this set. How many subsets we're gonna have? The number of subsets will be in infinity. Look, in 2 to the n depends on the number of elements. How many elements we have inside these braces? We have infinite number of elements. These dots mean that the series goes to infinity. So we have infinite number of elements. Therefore, we're gonna put infinity here for the n. N equals to infinity here. So 2 to the infinity is infinity, which means that we're gonna have infinite number of subsets. Infinite number of subsets. The power set for this D will be the set of infinite number of subsets. But never mind, let me just put randomly subsets. This is the power set of D. I just randomly put some subsets. I started with the empty set, and then 1, and then 2, and then 3, and then 5, and then 7, and then 9, up to infinity. The tail goes to infinity. So we have infinite number of subsets. This power set is the set of infinite number of subsets. For the D, we have infinite number of subsets. This will be the power set. If D goes to infinity, the power set will be also in infinity. Part E, which is the set of whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me just let it equals to F. I just randomly gave the name F to this set. How many subsets we will have? The number of subsets will be 32. We have 5 elements, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my n is 5. Just plug in n equals to 5. 2 to the 5 equals to 32. So we will have 32 subsets. The total number of subsets for this set will be 32. There are 32 subsets for E. So there you go for the power set of F. This is the power set of F. It is the set of all subsets of F. That's what we call it, power set of F. P of F means power set of F. What is power set? We already know that power set is the set. It is the set of all subsets of F. We also know that how to get subsets. We have done this before, a technique, a step-by-step procedure, how to get the subsets. If you follow that procedure, that step-by-step procedure, it will be pretty easy to get all the subsets very easily. You won't skip any subset. Especially it is very complicated when you have more elements in the set, like 5 elements, 6 elements, 7 elements, or more than these. Then it won't be easy to get all the subsets. It will be complicated. But if you follow the step-by-step procedure, it will be easy for you to get all the subsets. We have done this before, how to get the subsets. If you have no idea, just go back and check the previous section. That is a step-by-step procedure to get all the subsets. I need all the subsets of E. I have 5 elements, therefore I need 32 subsets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So we have 32 subsets. These are all subsets of E. First we start with the empty set. Empty set is the subset of every set. And then take all the elements individually, like 0, and then 1, and then 2, and then 3, and then 4. Now to take 2 elements together, starts with the 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4. Once you do with the 0, skip the 0, and then starts with the 1. Take 1 with 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. Once you do with the 1, skip the 1 and starts with the 2. Take 2 with the 3 and 4. 2, 3, 2, 4. 2, 3, 2, 4. Once you do with the 2, skip the 2 and starts with the 3. Take 4 with the 3, 3, 4. 3, 4. Now to make the subsets of 3 elements, so we're going to take the first 2 elements and we'll take them with the 2 and then with the 3 and then with the 4. Suppose 0, 1 is my 1 element. So first I'm going to take with the 2 and then with the 3 and then with the 4. So 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 3 and 0, 1, 4. 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 3 and 0, 1, 4. Now to skip 1 and take 2 with the 0. 0, 2. So I will take 0, 2 with the 3 and then with the 4. 0, 2, 3, 0, 2, 4. 0, 2, 3, 0, 2, 4. Now to skip 2 and take 3 with the 0 and also with the 4. 0, 3, 4. So what I did with the 3 elements subsets. First I took 0, 1 with the 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 3, 0, 1, 4. Then I joined 2 with the 0. 0, 2, 3, 0, 2, 4. Then I joined 3 with a 0, 0, 3, 4. Now to skip 0 and take these 2 elements, 1, 2. Join 2 with a 1. Take them with a 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4. Now to skip 2 and join 3 with a 1, 1, 3, 4. Now look, we are going step by step forward. We are not coming back. We are going forward step by step. Don't go back. Go forward. Like 1, 3, 4. Now to skip 1 and take a pair of 2, 3. So I will have 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. So we have done with the subsets of single elements and subsets of double elements, subsets of triple elements. Now we're going to make the subsets of 4 elements. For the 4 elements, first we're going to pick the first 3 elements. Suppose 0, 1, 2 is my single element. Suppose it is my single element. So first I'm going to take them with a 3 and then with a 4. So I will have 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 4. Then to skip 2 and join 3 with the 0, 1. First I supposed 0, 1, 2 as a single element. And then I took them with the 3 and with the 4. Now I'm going to skip the 2 and will join 3 with the first 2 elements. So suppose I have 0, 1, 3 as a single element. So I will have 0, 1, 3, 4. 0, 1, 3, 4. Now to skip 1 and take 0, 2, 3. Let's suppose 0, 2, 3 is a single element. So I'm going to take it with the 4. I will have 0, 2, 3, 4. 0, 2, 3, 4. Now to start with the 1. So I will have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's all. So that's all with the 4 elements. At the end, I'm going to take all the elements together. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. You check the subsets of all the 4 elements. If there is a repetition in any subset, if there is no repetition, then you have to take that subset. For example, look at here. I have 0, 1, 2, 3. Here I have 0, 1, 2, 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3 is different than 0, 1, 2, 4. Similarly, I have 0, 1, 3, 4. Then I have 0, 2, 3, 4. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So all the 5 subsets of the 4 elements are different. So you shouldn't be worried. You are on the right track. At the end, I took all the elements together. So it is the set. It is the set. This blue is the set of all the subsets of F. That's what we call it power set of F. So first we identified the number of subsets, which are 32, and then we wrote all the number of subsets for the power set, which is P of F. Part F, which is plus, comma, negative, comma, multiplication, comma, division. Instead of any numbers like 1, 2, 3, or any alphabets like A, B, C, D, we have the operation signs like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. How many subsets we're going to have for the F, and how to write the subsets for the power set. What will be the power set of F? How many subsets we're going to have? We need to write all those subsets. So let me let it equals to G. I just randomly gave the name G to this set, which is a set of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Number of subsets will be 16. For the number of subsets, we have 2 to the n. What is n? N depends on the number of elements inside the braces. How many elements we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to plug in n equals to 4. 2 to the 4 equals to 16. This 16 are the total total number of subsets that we're gonna have for the F. So we will write all those 16 subsets for the F, which equals to G. The name of these sets is now G. There you go for the power set of G. P of G means power set of G. I gave the name G to this set, so it will be the power set of G. We need total 16 subsets, so let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we have all the subsets. There are total 16 subsets for the G. As usual, first we started with the empty set, and then we took all the elements individually. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and then division. Then we made the subsets of the two elements. First took addition with the subtraction, and then multiplication, and then division. So we have addition, subtraction, addition, multiplication, addition, division. It is a step-by-step procedure. You have to follow that procedure, and you have to go forward like addition, subtraction, and then addition, multiplication, and then addition, division. Once you do with the addition, pick the subtraction as the first element, then go forward. Subtraction, multiplication, subtraction, division, subtraction, multiplication, subtraction, division. Once you do with the subtraction, pick multiplication as the first element, go forward. Multiplication, division, multiplication, division. So there we got all the subsets of the two elements. Now we need the subsets of the three elements. Pick the first two elements, addition and subtraction, and then go forward to take them with the subtraction and then with the division. Like addition, subtraction, multiplication, addition, subtraction, division. Look, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and addition, subtraction, division. Once you do with the addition, skip the addition and start with the subtraction, multiplication. Start with the subtraction, multiplication, and go forward. Subtraction, multiplication, division, subtraction, multiplication, division. So once you do with the addition, subtraction, division, then you have to skip subtraction and join multiplication with the addition and go forward. So I will have addition, multiplication, division, addition, multiplication, division. Then you have to skip addition and take these two elements, subtraction, multiplication, and go forward. So I will have subtraction, multiplication, and division. We wrote all the subsets of the single elements and all the subsets of the double elements, all the subsets of the triple elements, and also the subsets of the four elements, which is the set by itself. Plus, minus, subtraction, division. At the end, you take all the elements of the sets. In other words, you can say they take the same set as the subset. First, we identified the number of subsets, which were 16. And then we wrote all the subsets, all 16 subsets for the G, which is the power set of G.